Hey guys, girls, them, they, whatever. Um, if you are new to the channel, welcome. I just wanted to do an update on what happened to my SEO agency site. I'll also talk a little bit about my new project and my existing project, which is Linkilo. I decided to move out of SEO, being an SEO agency. Um, I just had a lot of clients that I kind of transitioned off, a lot of inquiries that I kind of sent off uh, because my passion kind of changed where I used to do a lot. My SEO agency handled like 20, like to even 30 clients at a time with just me and like five other people. Uh, but my passion just changed because I was doing a lot of SEO for other people and saw good results. I wanted to transition to having my own affiliate sites, several different affiliate sites that I've built and working on that, and I love that. And also started to build Linkilo, which is my WordPress internal linking plugin um, that helps that I tried to start building because I started to create 50, 200 posts on several of these sites, and then I had to do internal linking, and that was a big hassle. And then link auditing tool to identify like things like how many times did I use my anchor text, um, or did I use it on the right URL? Am I using the same anchor text on two different URLs? Am I trying to rank for the same keywords for two different URLs? Or am I cannibalizing my content? Am I doing a good enough job of doing keyword research? Um, and Am I cannibalizing myself? Am I creating new topics? Are there any more new topics? A lot of these stuff just started to happen. That's why I built Linkilo. Um, so with the SEOrankserp.com, which was my SEO agency website, I wanted to get away. So I started to have an idea of try to figure out what to do with the site because I had some content. Some of them are ranking well, some of them are not, but I had a lot of content, right? So um, I started to realize the headache of using someone else's WordPress theme. I use Neve theme mostly because it's universal. They have a bunch of starter sites, a lot of their demos. There's they are pretty fast, but there's just too much bloats. So I started to build. So this is about 75% done. I have this my theme on my site at the moment. The homepage is made with Elementor, so I want to make sure to see how it reacts to Elementor. Um, so this is the current performance. I also wanted to build my own sitemap without using ranked math. So I created, this is the homepage. I could enable homepage banner, add an image, or change the color. A little customization for me so I could customize a lot of the different affiliate sites that I have. Um, I can add my theme logo, different colors. I'm adding a little more customization. Here in the footer, I could do section 1, 2, 3. Currently, I have 3. I can enable 4. Add a bottom section with the logo, with the disclaimer. Also, social networking profiles. I have that. So the core of this theme is for speed and for SEO right out of the box. You don't have to do anything. You just plug and play. And the essential necessity of having a well-optimized site along with performance is my top priority. So there's still a lot of work to do, as you can see. This site is being hosted by a very, very cheap hosting plan. So things like, this is horrible. I have to wait several minutes for this to load. So you could see how horrible this hosting plan is. But I'm maximizing on the worst case scenario along with installing on Cloudways or other WPX hosting or things like that to make sure that everything is optimal. Yes, there you go. Yeah, it takes a while. So what else? Changing the headline font versus the body, customizing different size of each font or heading font, bullets, body, SEO settings. So here you could see once I built a little bit better, you don't have to use rank math, right? Because rank math has so many different tools that it starts to decay, starts to build up your, like why do I have that? I don't need that. Counter. I don't need local SEO. Schema. I don't need that. Yeah. There's just too much bloat. And if you go to your PHPMyAdmin, your database, they add quite a bit of files, useless files. So it's taking up a lot of resources. So that was my main issue here. You can see contextual related posts, easy table content being removed. I'm just slowly minimizing everything that I used to have down to just the security, maybe a WP Rocket, revive old posts, Linkilo, image optimization. Elementor, I'm going to transition that away. So I'm just going to have like 4 or 5 plugins that I'm going to be using. I have table of content, which is built in on the WordPress theme. So every post that you have, it'll create automatic table of content, and it's a lot faster. There's no JavaScript. There's not a lot of backend performance degrading results. As you can see, good amount of results. If you use easy table of content, you could see on the Lighthouse performance that it does detriment your performance overall, along with contextual related posts. This one, still building out. I'm going to build this out technically in Linkilo. So the product that I'm building is really all about what I've learned for 8+ years, I think. I forgot how long I've been doing SEO. So all the best practices, pretty much. You could see like one of my test sites here, I have a bunch of ads, and the performance is at 94 with a better hosting plan. So this hosting provider is a little bit better, so the performance is a lot better. It's not really struggling any of that. I have AAWP installed, so very minimal plugin without any bloat. And then I'm just kind of like brainstorming, what do I need for an affiliate site? Um, yeah, see a bunch of ads, and then the table of contents is just really fast. It just automatically just creates it. No need to do anything else. No need to install a plugin to do this, plugin to do that, and then have different plugin conflicts. Worry about updates, and then if the update happens, you have to troubleshoot if there's any plugin conflict. All that stuff just I got so much headache. One of my site got detriment, lost a lot of ranking because the hosting provider, Hostinger, my video about that, where they blocked the ISP. So a lot of other people with different ISP that's blocking the access to my site, hurt my traffic. And then with Neef Theme, with so much things going on and different plugins that I have, and then WP Rocket with the caching issue, with other plugins that they haven't tested with, some of the sites became blank. So when someone looks up on a search result, go to my site, it's totally blank. So I'm kind of struggling with a lot of these different plugins with so many issues. I now decided I need to build my own, and this is where I'm. So if you go to my SEOrankserp.com, now you'll see this website coming soon. I'm using it. I'm going to start using it on my site. Most of them I have it on this one and the other one that I showed you, with a bunch of ads. Where are the ads? Yeah. So yeah, this is a very exciting project that I have. Everything that I've struggled with as an SEO agency, trying to tell the clients what we need to do. We have to install that plugin. We have to do that. Everything is kind of added into the theme, along with Linkilo. Linkilo again. I have a new update is going to be released soon with the new feature where we have previews. So if you have a link here, if you hover over it, you're going to see a little box with what that page is about. A little bit better performance, new design, and then this is taking a long time in the making. This new update. So if I go to roadmap, a lot of these are being built at the moment. Adding new languages, redesigning dashboard. This one, auto Google search insert limits. Currently, if you are ranking for a specific page, it captures all that Google keywords that you're ranking for and adds that to your database so that your link suggestions become a lot better. Internal linking, you're going to start, I'm going to create two different sections where you have the ability to customize internal links settings, where you can open a new tab or just stay on the same window. External links, you could point them to create open new tab, or make sure that every external link is a no follow. Do Google auth requirement. Again, link features, and I have a lot of stuff being planned. We're building this, we're testing it, we're making sure everything is good. And again, with every update, we have to test this rigorously with several plugins to make sure that like the top 20 plugins we install, and make sure that everything is kind of working properly. So that's a lot of the work. So this is why I wanted to create a WordPress theme where it works really, really well with Linkilo. Obviously, this is just for affiliate websites. It's not a news theme type or for local business, but still you could use the built-in features such as the table of content. All of that SEO ready out of the box. It's built in. You just need to create a nice landing page using Elementor, or hire someone to create a pure HTML landing page or things like that to make sure that your site is the most optimal. Where is it? Yeah. And the most optimal setting. Everything's mobile friendly. Yeah, so this is what I've been working on. Again, I'm building this really for myself and what I need, or what I think other people do need. Obviously, we have where is it? The roadmaps with people voting for a lot of the stuff, and we are getting to it. It's taking a bit long than I expected. I mean, but there's just a lot of Linkilo is going to be not just internal link suggestion. That's not. This is going to be the best. It's going to be the best internal linking solution, but it's going to be an overall link auditing tool and link management tool. So those are the three things that I'm focusing on here, like broken link report, making sure that every link that you have is active, because we're going to later start to do short URLs. Maybe you could split test it, or expired links, like a promotion link or things like that. And then once it's disabled, you can make sure that all the links that you have has been expired, and then redirect to something else. So there's going to be redirection, where once you redirect, it'll look for all the old URLs and replace it automatically, so you don't have to go through all of your URL or pages to identify where you exactly put that old link, because you don't want a redirection happening all over. Like RankMath has a redirection tool where you could, once you delete it, it'll automatically redirect to the homepage or things like that. Or there's a redirection thing where you could redirect an old one to the new one. But if you added all this old URL to 20 articles, how are you going to change all of that? And which you should change all of your old URL to the new URL. So Linkilo is going to be able to do that. There's a lot of the stuff that I think is a headache. I'm building a product that I am using, that I need in my life, where I used to implement it with most of my clients. Now I'm implementing it with most of my affiliate sites that I have. These are the two products that I have. I have another product that I'm currently in development, still not something that I want to show at the moment, but it's going to be an amazing SEO focused tool where it tells you what you actually need to do, or what it will actually do for you, versus typical Yoast or RankMath SEO tool, which doesn't do anything. You have to figure out what they're telling you, and things like that. So, best practice implementation is my goal. Making my life easier is the goal. So SEO agency is no longer here. This is going to be the best SEO WordPress theme for affiliate website, along with Linkilo, which is going to be the best internal linking, link auditing tool, and management tool that you'll ever need. You don't need any other tool. You just need this one tool for everything that you should be doing. So those are the two things, and then obviously the other one, the future one that I'm building. And there's a lot of projects that I have in mind because I am doing this for myself, and I see the need for me to do these things, make it easier because I'm managing so many affiliate sites that I have, and sometimes there's just so many bugs on the theme or the plugins or the hosting provider. I just want to remove a lot of the headaches that I've been having, and this is it. This is things that I'm not building a product simply to build a product. I'm simply making my life easier with the products that I'm using. That is the goal. Hopefully, if you do use any of the tools that I'm building, that's the thing that you're also going to be doing, having, or feeling. So, yeah. So hopefully no one contacts me for consultation with regarding SEO, unless you're 5,000 and above per month project. But yeah, I'm not taking any new clients. I have a couple existing ones that I'm trying to transition off of. So these are the two things that I'm focusing on. I'm doubling down. The reward here, the comparison with being an SEO agency compared to building a product is that it's easier to be an SEO agency versus building a product because most of the clients that I work with already established some sort of authoritativeness, expertise. All I have to do is just do quick little things here and there, and then their sites become better little by little, and it's just making very easy money. With these two products, it's something that I am building for myself, and I'm just hoping that everyone also sees the benefit and then buys it. So far, Linkilo has been a great product that a lot of people are happy about, so I'm all for that. Again, new updates coming. This is not a dead software. This is going to be redesigned too, hopefully soon. Try to make this a little bit better because I don't do web design. I just do SEO. I know SEO, what needs to be done. So yeah, hopefully this video kind of helped understand my passion about SEO. I really love trying to figure out things, reverse engineer things, try to figure out what SEO really is, because right now, these days, with so many different updates, I got 3 updates and I thought everything was smooth, and then the spam update happened. So we're all here trying to figure everything out. Now my focus is to build products that could help manage your site better, manage my site better, really. Eliminate anyone else not thinking about SEO. So, the Neve theme, they have pretty things here and there. Performance is great, but they have their own agenda. My focus is really building the best theme, building the best tool for links. These are the 2 things, essential things that I really focus on. Besides creating content, I want to transition. I don't want to focus too much on technical SEO, making sure the site is working properly, or making sure the links that I'm adding or creating reports on keyword cannibalization, everything is really easy for me to do, so I could focus more on the content side and be able to rank. So that is the future of what my goal is. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a lot more stuff coming out on my YouTube channel. I'm giving you guys everything that I could think of. Um, Little hacks, little tips and tricks, from beginners to the most advanced type of stuff. So, um, yeah, stay tuned. I hope you come along in this journey and have a good one.